Hi, Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome back, and let's take this journey together where we both learn on how to make a vegetarian burger and modify it. It's also a food review. So thanks for visiting me, and let's take this journey. Be safe. Peace. Hi, this is Dansoy, aka Batman, back in the kitchen. We're going to make this simple veggie burger, like I said. We're going to add regular cheese. If you wanted to, you could keep it totally vegetarian and use vegan or vegetarian cheese, but for today I'm going to use this new product, smoked cheddar. So we're going to be using these Gardenburgers, and this is the portobello mushroom burgers, and we're going to use these nice French rolls from that's French recipe. You can get them at Whole Foods or a local bakery. Fine ripe tomatoes. We got the veggie patties there. We have the pickle slices. This is what I was talking about, the smoked cheddar. Never tried this before, but I'm going to throw that on the burger. We got mayonnaise, Sir Kensington ketchup. We got some more spinach to use on top instead of lettuce, and we have the coleslaw. So you can make your own coleslaw or buy it. I bought it at Whole Foods, and it's a lot easier. But if you wanted to, you can make it out of cabbage, celery, and salt and other spices with mayo. But yeah, I'm going to bring you the Gardenburger. So we're going to hit this one up next, like I said, and we're on this journey together. We're going to put this in the pan with avocado oil, and we're going to take this journey together, and we learn together and we educate each other. So be back. All right, so we're back with our pan, and we're going to just put avocado oil in there. Like I said many times, and other chefs say, it's high heat, and it doesn't really leave a taste. It leaves all your food at the natural taste. Like I said before, this week I'm going to be upgrading to 4K. I'm going to be getting a brand new Samsung phone, and then after that I'm going to look into a new Canon camera. So I'm going to try to bring you more videos and more high definition, and maybe 4K. So thanks for taking this journey with me. Batman in the kitchen. Alright, so we have the veggie patties in there, and we have the avocado oil. You could use olive oil or whatever oil you want, any kind of spray. And like I said, when you're cooking them, if you wanted to use vegetarian cheese or vegan cheese, you can. But today I'm going to use the smoked cheddar. And like I said, I'm probably going against like cooking veggie burgers, but I wanted to mix it up today. So this is on medium heat, and we're going to cook these slow. But it's not going to take long because these patties are defrosted. So we're going to flip them on both sides, and then we'll add the cheese because it's not going to take long. Alright, so you're going to want to cook these on each side a couple minutes and then throw the cheese on. But you can see the avocado oil boiling. Alright, so you can see that they're cooking away. Avocado oil is boiling, popping. Now we're going to take this smoked cheddar, and we're just going to put it on top of the burgers. So we're just going to let that melt down. You can adjust your heat if you want. And like I said, this one is really easy. Don't want to sound like a broken record, but you can do it in 10 minutes or less. Alright, so we're done there. You can see that the cheese melted really good. It's running into the pan. But look how cheesy that is. So we're basically done. Now we're going to just take the burgers, and we're going to I'm going to just do one for right now, and I'm just going to put it on the French recipe roll. The Europe rolls, these things are so soft, but they actually came out good. So they're a little bit healthy and a little bit not. At least you have the veggie burger, but then you have the cheese. Alright, so we have the burger on the bun, and actually I have it on the wrong side. But you can see that blooper. I apologize for that. I know most people will say you should edit, but I like keeping it real. You know my tagline, but there's the burger right there. can see the nice melted cheese on top, and there's the roll. You can see where it even got indented on there, but you can see that. Now we're just going to put all the toppings on, and we're done, and you can eat. And then I have that spare burger for later. But in that package you get 4 burgers, so you can feed like 2 people, or you can have leftovers for another day. Alright, so we got the ketchup on there. Put as much as you want, but I used Sir Kensington's ketchup. It's really good. It comes from England, and it's really good. Next we're going to just put on the mayonnaise and the other toppings. Alright, so we got the mayonnaise on there, the Sir Kensington, and next thing we're going to do is throw some pickles on there, kosher dills. Alright, so we got the pickles on there, and I used sandwich slices from 365 Kosher. You can see that they're really good, but it's your choice. So we still have another package of mayonnaise left, so next we're just going to throw in the tomato and the spinach on top, and then put more mayonnaise on, and we're done. Alright, so we have the tomato on there, and we can actually shoot some mayonnaise on there, and then after that put the spinach on top, and then put a little bit more mayonnaise. But the burger's basically up to you. Do what you want. Alright, so we have mayonnaise on there, and we're just going to top it with spinach. Like I said, you could add other stuff if you want, but now we're just going to take the mayonnaise and put the final touch on there. Then after that we can just side it with coleslaw and then the extra tomato. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're back. That's a high burger, and we're just going to take that bun. It's already warm and has cheese on there, and throw it in there. So there we have it. We have our nice veggie burger, California style, and yeah, it's pretty thick. Alright, YouTube, so we're done. We diced up the rest of that tomato, and you could put balsamic on there, your favorite salad dressing, and we have coleslaw. So that's a really easy meal that you can put together in 10 minutes. The coleslaw, like I said, I bought this at Whole Foods, but it's just cabbage, celery, and carrots, celery, salt, and spices. But that's if you want to make it. If not, just buy it, and like you see, you can just throw the meal together quick. So you can always have a meal for the lunch or for dinner. But there's your veggie burger, California style. Dansoy, Batman in the Kitchen, thanks for visiting. We're here to take this journey and learn together. I learned something today. I hope we both learned something. Please subscribe and hit the bell for updates. I'll talk to you later. Be safe. Peace.